The world is changing. Technology is evolving at an unprecedented pace. From smartphones to self-driving cars, software is everywhere. It's the invisible force that powers our modern lives. And behind every line of code, there's a software engineer, the architect of this digital revolution. Software engineering is no longer a niche profession. It's a fundamental skill set that's becoming increasingly important in every industry. Whether you're passionate about healthcare, finance, or entertainment, software engineering opens doors to a world of possibilities. It empowers you to solve real-world problems, create innovative solutions, and shape the future. But why is 2025 such a pivotal year? Because we're on the cusp of a technological renaissance driven by artificial intelligence, big data, and the Internet of Things. These advancements are creating unprecedented opportunities for skilled software engineers to make their mark on the world. This is your chance to be at the forefront of this exciting revolution. The demand for software engineers has never been higher, and the rewards have never been greater. Are you ready to join the ranks of the digital pioneers? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is no longer a futuristic fantasy. It's here, it's real, and it's transforming industries faster than we ever imagined. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is poised to revolutionize the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. At the heart of this AI revolution lies the work of software engineers. They are the modern-day alchemists, writing the algorithms and building the systems that power these intelligent machines. They are teaching computers to learn, adapt, and solve complex problems, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Understanding AI is no longer optional for aspiring software engineers. It's an essential skill set that will set you apart from the competition. By mastering AI concepts and techniques, you can unlock a world of opportunities to create groundbreaking applications that will shape the future. To build the future, you need to speak its language. And in the world of software engineering, that language comes in many forms. Java, JavaScript, Python, and C++ are among the most popular and versatile programming languages used today. Each has its strengths and applications, making them essential tools in any software engineer's arsenal. Java, known for its reliability and portability, is a powerhouse for building enterprise-level applications, Android apps, and server-side systems. JavaScript, the language of the web, brings interactivity and dynamic content to websites and web applications. Python, with its simple syntax and vast libraries, has become a favorite for data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. C++, a language known for its performance and control, is often used for game development, operating systems, and high-performance computing. Mastering these languages is like learning the secret handshake of the tech world. It allows you to communicate your ideas, build your visions, and contribute to the ever-evolving world of software development. Beneath the surface of these high-level programming languages lies a fundamental truth. Computers think in binary. Binary, a language of zeros and ones, represents the on and off states of electrical signals that form the foundation of digital computing. Understanding binary logic is like peering behind the curtain of the digital world, revealing the essential building blocks of how computers process information. Sequence languages, like assembly language, provide a more human-readable way to interact with computer hardware. While not as widely used as high-level languages, they offer unparalleled control over system resources and are essential for developing low-level software, such as operating systems and device drivers. While you may not be writing code in binary or assembly language every day, understanding these foundational concepts will make you a more well-rounded software engineer. It will deepen your understanding of how computers work at their core and allow you to write more efficient and optimized code. Section 5. The growing demand. Software engineers are the new rock stars. The demand for skilled software engineers is exploding. As businesses across all industries embrace digital transformation, the need for tech talent is skyrocketing. Software engineers are the architects of this digital revolution, and their skills are in high demand. From Silicon Valley startups to Fortune 500 corporations, companies are vying for the best and brightest software engineers. The competition for talent is fierce, leading to impressive salaries, generous benefits, and exciting career opportunities. But it's not just about the money. Software engineering is a highly rewarding and intellectually stimulating career. It's about solving challenging problems, building innovative solutions, and making a real-world impact. Section 6. The perks of the job beyond the big bucks. The allure of software engineering extends far beyond the impressive earning potential. It's a career path that offers a unique blend of creativity, problem-solving, and continuous learning. Software engineers are modern-day inventors, crafting digital solutions that improve lives and shape the future. They thrive in collaborative environments, working alongside talented teams to turn ambitious ideas into reality. The field is constantly evolving, which means there's always something new to learn. This fast-paced nature keeps the work exciting and ensures that software engineers are constantly challenged to expand their skill sets and stay ahead of the curve. Section 7. Breaking barriers, software engineering for everyone. The world of software engineering is becoming increasingly diverse and inclusive. Gone are the days when coding was seen as a domain exclusive to a select few. Today, people from all backgrounds, genders, and walks of life are discovering their passion for coding and making their mark on the tech industry. Numerous initiatives and organizations are dedicated to promoting diversity and inclusion in tech, providing resources, mentorship, and support to underrepresented groups. Coding boot camps and online learning platforms have made acquiring software engineering skills more accessible than ever before. The future of tech relies on diverse perspectives and fresh ideas. Embracing inclusivity not only fosters a more vibrant and innovative industry but also creates equal opportunities for everyone to participate in the digital revolution. Section 8. Your path to success. Tips for aspiring coders. Embarking on a career in software engineering is an exciting journey. Here are a few tips to guide you on your path to success. Asterisk. Find your passion. Identify areas within software engineering that genuinely excite you. Whether it's web development, mobile app development, data science, or artificial intelligence, pursuing your passions will make the learning process more enjoyable and rewarding. Asterisk. Embrace continuous learning. The tech landscape is constantly evolving. Cultivate a mindset of continuous learning, staying updated on the latest technologies and trends. Online courses, coding boot camps, and industry events are great resources for expanding your skill set. Build a strong foundation. Focus on mastering fundamental programming concepts in languages like Java, JavaScript, Python, or C++. A solid foundation will serve you well as you progress to more specialized areas. Asterisk. Practice, practice, practice. The key to becoming a proficient coder is consistent practice. Challenge yourself with coding projects, participate in hackathons, and contribute to open-source projects to hone your skills. Asterisk. Network and collaborate. Connect with other software engineers, attend industry events, and join online communities. Networking can open doors to job opportunities, mentorship, and valuable insights from experienced professionals. Section 9. The future is now. Time to write your code. The future of technology is being written right now, line by software engineers like you. The demand for skilled coders has never been higher, and the opportunities are limitless. Whether you're passionate about artificial intelligence, web development, or creating the next killer app, there's a place for you in this exciting and ever-evolving field. 2025 is your year to become a software engineer. Embrace the challenge, dive into the world of code, and join the ranks of the digital pioneers who are shaping the future. The power to innovate and make a real-world impact is at your fingertips. Start writing your code today.